Hi and welcome to a new MyDataMerge video. My name is Stefan and today I'm going to show you how to apply record sorting and filtering directly in MyDataMerge. Therefore, I will use my standard 500 records data source. And let's say your client says, please give me some business cards, but only for all of the data records that have a no in the column VIP. And I want to have them sorted by last name, alphabetically ascending. So usually you would start sorting them in software like Excel or in some other data source management software, and then put it in the Indesign data merge. But with MyDataMerge, you can apply all of these settings directly in the app. And whenever your client sends you a new and updated data source, you can just drop it inside of MyDataMerge, and all of your filtering and sorting settings will be applied automatically. So let me show that to you. I open a standard business card layout I've used in former videos. Everything is set up already. And if we go in the last name, because the client wants sorting after last name, we would see that if I click through the records, that all of my records are like they are in the data source now. Maldonado, Vasquez, Simpson, Haney, Maldonado, Vasquez, Simpson, Haney, and so on. So, but now I want to apply some sorting. So let's head over to the export section, head over to extras, go to record sorting, enable the record sorting, and select the data column for sorting. And we want to sort it after last name, Maldonado, and we want to sort it ascending. So that's all you need to do. Now, if we head back to the placeholder section, go into last name, you might wonder because it's still Maldonado, Vasquez, Simpson, and Haney, and it's not alphabetically sorted. That's because MyDataMerge has two preview modes. The standard preview modes just shows you the data source how it is, and in the data source it starts with Maldonado. But you can say consider export settings, and that means that all of your export settings, including filter and sorting, will be applied. And then you can see that MyDataMerge automatically shows you the alphabetically sorting after the last name. That means Beasley, Britt, Franklin, Haney. These are alphabetically sorted ascending. So that's all you need to do. And for the record filtering, we head back to the export section, choose record filter over here, enable the record filter, and apply some rules that fit. That means all of the following rules are true, and then these records will be sent to the data merge. I want to have VIP is no. And once these are applied, MyDataMerge says 2 records are removed for the currently selected range, and the currently selected range is 1 to 10. And if we have a look in the data source, we will see that from records 1 to 10, there's twice a yes over here. So 2 records are removed, which is correct. If we export all records, this changes because we have 8 VIPs in the data source. This is how you can apply filtering and record sorting just with a few clicks. And if you save that whole thing as a MyDataMerge project, you can apply it to updated data sources you receive from your client. Now let's export range 1 to 10 and have a look on the result. I choose my result folder over here, which is positioned here in the corner. Let's choose it, let's export it, and let's have a look what happens. And as you can see, it starts sorted. It starts with Herod Beasley, sorted after last name, alphabetically ascending. And there's no VIP in here anymore. This makes sorting and filtering records so easy. If you have any more questions, just ask us in the support forum on MyDataMerge.com or try it yourself by downloading it on MyDataMerge.com. Thank you very much.